Okay, it's 7:10 now. By the time I get back, it will be the 7:30. Plug in the camera. I load the photos. I initiate the You Now live stream. You were our last hope. And with the You Now beginning of the story, we will be back to the discussion of the... What was I even talking about? Hey, what happened to this pile of dirt? Pile of dirt, they picked out the water. Pile of the dirt disappeared. How interesting. We must discover. I go into the song holiday. We must discover the meaning of this. Okay, so the journey back, we must venture back into the cold morning walk. As we watch the sun's rays, you can see the reflection on the glasses. There's the sun, see? Look, without even seeing it, you can see. You can see the maximum light with the sun disappearing through that tree. Oh, hang on. That tree, there's the tree. The maximum light, look, the sun is, oh, look, it's on top of my head. There you go, look, I'll pretend it's the sunrise. There's the sunrise. There's the sunrise, the epic sun. Look, that's all I had to do. Still all that. Here comes the sunrise, sunrise in the morning. They must be able to do it in the movies. They go, we're watching the sunrise. It's so simple, I could have just did it that way. Instead of just coming out here, freezing cold. We're going to go 3 minutes. Cup of tea there in the morning. That cup of tea in the morning. Warm me up in the morning, spongo.